So, what I'm hearing you say, Ruth, is that you're dealing with a lot of various emotions from excitement to sadness. Excitement, as far as being able to go on to the next phase in your life, and sadness, as far as leaving and not being here anymore. Yeah. So, it seems like that ending out these sessions is pretty similar to completing a really personal project, as in you've had to open yourself up and become very vulnerable, which you have. And in the process of that difficulty, um, it's required a significant emotional, mental, and even spiritual effort. Yeah. Well, you've grown and you have, accomplished a lot in our sessions. And really, the end is not really the end, it's really the beginning to a better mindset in your life. And, feeling empowered in who you are and knowing that you have the tools necessary for your continued success in life. Um, it's important to know that the difference that closing out these sessions would make in your life is that you've been able to accomplish more than if you hadn't come, and you've been able to work through your issues, such as, what we've gone through of your um, feelings of insecurity with the way you look and the concerns with the relationship with your daughter. Yeah. So what you're saying is you would like to, just finish up this session trying to work through these feelings of sadness more so. Yeah. Well, I mean, that's perfectly normal for anybody going through therapy sessions, and just being able to end it in a manner that is most comfortable for you. And the possibilities, open up for you when you leave from here. And, knowing in the back of your mind that closing out this therapy is really just a unique way of going on to the next phase in your life, as you stated earlier. That excitement of being able to feel like you have all the skills for coping and knowing better how to handle future issues that may incur. Um, it's really not uncommon to feel scared. I feel like it's pretty difficult at first, transitioning to really a stronger point in your life, and it's important to have confidence. Yeah, so you're saying that having a little lack of confidence right now is kind of also what you're struggling with, and that's okay. Because in time, those feelings of sadness and insecurity will fade. And, handling whatever obstacles may come your way will just become a lot easier, right? So, where does this conversation, really lead you to? Um, Well, the goal of our therapy sessions was to ensure that you had all the necessary skills to cope with your frustration and issues, which we've done. And when the goals of the therapy are met, it is my job to allow you to go on forward with what you have accomplished here. And it's normal to feel what you're feeling, so that's something that we can process together here in our last session. Mm-hmm. Right. So, feeling sad and feeling like you're losing something, that's fine. And, that's something that can occur in any session, really. Uh, so hopefully we can, come together and just, I want you to feel empowered and that you have come really far so far. And you can, keep going into the future, knowing that you have come so far. Um, so I just want to thank you, and I really hope that you can continue to grow and move forward with anything that comes along in your life.